In this video, I'm going to show you how to download ChatGPT. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Let's jump right in. So first you want to open up your Google Play or App Store, and then you want to go to the search bar and search for ChatGPT. Now, make sure you download the one created by OpenAI because a lot of other ones use ChatGPT. It will say powered by ChatGPT. But if you want the actual OpenAI one, make sure it says OpenAI for the company name. Then press install and wait for it to download to your mobile device. Once it's finished installing, press on open, and then you can log in or sign up and continue to use ChatGPT. And that's it. Quick and simple. If this saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you're ready for the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.